If you have a laptop, you definitely need this. It's a USB-C docking station. Here are the reasons why you need this. If your charging port is broken and you can't charge your laptop, you don't have an SD card slot and you need one. You don't have an HDMI out port, or you need an additional one. You don't have an Ethernet port. You need extra USB-C or USB-A ports. Well, this thing has it all. Everyone who has a laptop, this is a must-have. Let's take a look at the ports now. Link to the product is in the description.